Victorinox Swisschamp Swiss Army knife is an all-in-one combination of steel-type tools that brings you useful and handy items that you need in just a sweep in your pocket.
Good day! This is our product review about the Victorinox Swiss Army knife Swisschamp. It is a multi-purpose knife composed of 33 tools used in different applications. It can also function as a survival tool or an alternative tool, especially when you're outside, since it is more convenient to carry. Discuss the 33 functions of the parts of the Swisschamp. The first tool is the large blade. This tool can cut or slice big objects or foods.
Small blade. This tool can cut small objects with more precision than the bigger blade. Can opener. This is used to open cans. Cap lifter. Used to open bottle caps.
Phillips head screwdriver. This is used to turn cross-shaped tips and head screws.
Reamer. This tool is used for enlarging or shaping a hole. Scissors. This tool is used for cutting objects such as paper and cloth. Wood saw. This is a tool used to saw, cut, or shape wood. Nail file. This is used to shape fingernails.
Sewing eye. The eye is to put thread through while sewing with the needle.
Magnifying lens. This tool is used to magnify things in order to see them better.
Corkscrew. This can be used to open bottles that are secured by cork. Wire crimping tool or pliers. This tool is used to hold small objects. Multi-purpose hook. This tool is used for many purposes such as functioning as a grocery bag carrier. Fish scaler or ruler. This tool is used to draw straight lines or measure things using the units centimeter and inches. 2.5mm flathead screwdriver. This is used to turn smaller flat-headed screws. Stainless pin or mini screwdriver. This tool is used to turn much smaller screws. Toothpick. This is used to remove small pieces of food in between teeth.
Keyring. This is used to hold the Victorinox Swisschamp.
According to Heidegger, we tend to look for the benefit we can get from other people or things, and not as to who or what they really are. As a result, we were able to use different raw materials from nature and labor for men to bring forth a knife. As technology continues to progress, they were able to make high-quality knives and innovate it to become portable and handy. Later on, it was known as a Swiss Army knife. By the year 1945, the Swiss Army knife became known and its demand increased significantly, making the business grow in production, consuming more labor and raw materials. Back then, people were not concerned with our environment as we are today. Most likely, the company Victorinox AG is now facing a challenging fork on how will they be able to meet the demand of high-quality Swiss knives even though their resources are limited.
In connection of its view to this tool, we can say that SAK or the Swiss Army knife is a good example of its phenomenology of technique and embodiment, as the SAK is used as a medium of intervening awareness of the object in contact with the person. Nevertheless, it shares an idea or giving a response towards the world as it tries to interact with each other. It also affects the hermeneutics, which is observed that we people are dependent to it because it has multiple tools that we need in order to have an easier way of dealing with certain things that we may encounter in going into some places like mountain climbing or going on a trip. SAK also seeks the idea of this also acts as an alterity relation because some people take really good care of their SAK to prevent from weakening as it's being used from time to time.
Herbert Marcuse's view on technology can be applied to the Victorinox Swiss Army Swisschamp. Marcus said that technology controls human. People's individual rationality or rationality itself subconsciously became the need to depend on technology. This technology is said to be more productive, efficient, and beneficial to every human being. People who oppose these developments or this technology are called irrational. As we depend more on technology, we are also submitting ourselves to the abilities and capabilities of technology. If we relate Marcus's statements to the Swisschamp, we can say that we use it as something we depend on, since the Swisschamp is a survival tool.